Hey friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn turtle in Python. It's very interesting and easy to use as well as to design some of the fantastic designs that you want to do. Well, this guy is a real special guy and designs making is so easy with turtle, and you can go ahead with some prerequisites first. You need to do pip install turtle. Pip install turtle. That's to be done first. And make sure that you do not name any of your Python files as turtle.py, as it would not work. It would throw errors. I've done that way and it threw error, and then I figured it out why it happened. So you should not name your file as turtle.py. Let's go ahead and do the pip install turtle first. Pip install turtle is the command, and the moment you do that, it will install all the necessary packages, and you can test it out by issuing it the command again, and in case all the requirements are met, you will get that message as you have gotten on the screen. Well, there are multiple methods that are supported in turtle. The first and the foremost method that you need to know is turtle. This method will create and return a new turtle object. Every file that uses turtle will have to go with this method called, and I'm going to show you that as well. Forward, backward, right, left. These are all very easy to use, and forward will move the turtle forward by the specified amount, backward will move the turtle backward by the specified amount, right, left, clockwise and anti-clockwise, pen up and pen down. Picks the turtle's pen and puts down the turtle's pen. So I'm going to show you all this. Let's not bother much of this. Color is something that will help you in changing the color of the turtle's pen. So we have got multiple other methods, but we are not going to use all of them. We are going to use some simple designs, and I'm going to show you that right now. It's all very, very interesting, and I'm sure you will like it. The first one is I'm going to design a very simple stuff with turtle, and I have imported turtle first. My underscore window equal to turtle.screen, and I have picked the background color as green, and turtle.turtle method is called, and I am making the pen move forward 150, then right, that is clockwise by 90, then forward again by 75, and I have chosen the pen color as yellow, and the pen size is 16. That's very simple, isn't it? You could see that. It's very, very easy design. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of right, I'm going to go with left, and you could see the way it works, and color I'm changing to red. So let's go to run module, and you could see that it's now going in the opposite direction. So the clockwise anti-clockwise has been proven right now to you, and it's very, very easy, isn't it? So you can try it out, but please understand one thing: we need to know the names of the methods. We are going to now draw a square using turtle. Can we do that? Yes, it's pretty easy as well, and we will see that right now. You can see that I'm importing turtle. Similarly, I have created a square equal to turtle.turtle, and with that instance square.color, I have set it as red. Now pen size is set to 12. Square has got 4 sides, so 4 in the for loop. Square forward with 50 and right with 90. That's all. It's very, very simple. So 4 times it will go on, and when I run it, I'll get the square. Simple, isn't it? It was fun, right? You try it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now see if we can change some colors or something like that, so that we can understand all the options. Square.color is changed, and pen size is changed to 20, and we will go ahead and run it right now. So see that it's working fine. It became thick. So all these are the simplest instances that you can try it out with these with turtle, and it's going to be very, very helpful. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw another thing which is going to be a star. I named it a square here. I'm going to build a star. So you can see that I've got an instance as star, and color is red, pen size is 2. Star will be multiple arrows in all the directions, so it is just not 4 like square. So I have given the data for forward and right alone. Now you could see that it's getting drawn. So since it is 50, it will keep drawing until 50, and we'll get the star. So it's easy, isn't it? Try it out, and in case you have any questions, you can always reach me. The next one is going to be very, very interesting as well. We are going to draw a random circle. I mean, it's a random design. I could not call it circle. It's a design. So how do we do it? Very simple. I'm importing turtle. I create an instance called wheel, and turtle speed is set to 10, and I'm giving range as 30. So I need 2 circles, one in the top and another one in the bottom. So you can see that 5 star I and minus 5 star I. So then I have exit on click enabled. So once I run it, you can see that we will get the first one in the top, second in the bottom. 5 into I minus 5 into I will work, and the speed can be defined, the color can be changed, whatever you want can be done with turtle, and all these are real simple designs that you would definitely love to work with. This can be very easy, and this can really bring a lot of attention from you. I believe this can get a lot of attention from you. I believe when you try it out, and in case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment sections. I'll be happy to answer. Until then, I say thank you. We will probably go ahead and handle another session shortly. And if you like the channel, the content, please subscribe. Thank you.